Good things happen fast when you use a lightweight portable Honda WX10 water pump. The Honda WX10 water pump weighs just 13 pounds, is equipped with a convenient transport handle, and includes a garden hose adapter, suction hose, clamps, and strainer. You'll go from a quick, easy start to moving up to 32 gallons of water a minute in no time, thanks to a hard-working Honda GX Series engine. This commercial-grade mini 4-stroke power plant delivers legendary Honda reliability and quiet operation with no mixing of oil and gasoline. The Honda WX10 water pump is ideal for gardening, boating, light construction work, swimming pool maintenance, and more. Whether you're moving water from places you don't want it or to places you do want it, count on a Honda WX10 water pump to keep every job flowing smoothly. Learn more at pumps.honda.com.